The previous class I asked a question to you, but the majority has committed mistake. They answered queen. Queen is the feminine gender of king. I asked the opposite of king. Opposite means king. Opposite of king is subject. രാജാവ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് പ്രജ എന്നാണ്. രാജാവ് രാജ്ഞി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അത് ലിംഗം മാറും. Rama is my cousin brother. That is being commonly used by many when we are conversing. That is an incorrect sentence. Cousin means one's father's, mother's, brothers, sisters, son or daughter is called cousin. ഒരാളുടെ അച്ഛൻ്റെയോ അമ്മയുടെയോ സഹോദര സഹോദരി പുത്രിക്ക് അല്ലെ പുത്രന് കസിൻ എന്ന് പറയും. But cousin brother or cousin sister is a wrong usage in English. Use cousin only. Another example I shall provide. Sita is my cousin sister. That is also wrong. Sita is my cousin is the correct one. Okay? Next one. That is regarding, I ask a question. He gave a speech. It is an incorrect sentence. Many people are saying he gave a speech. It is wrong. You can either say he made a speech or he delivered a speech. Both are correct. He made a speech or delivered a speech. He gave a speech is a wrong usage in English. It is a wrong phrase in English. Another one, he made a lecture. Lecture means talk. Lecturer means one who talks. The answer is he gave a lecture. He gave a lecture. That is the correct answer. Next one, that is related to tense. That can be asked for the examination point of view, not only in errors but also in another aspect. That is why I inducted it. When I reached the station, the train left. That is an incorrect sentence. That is an incorrect sentence. How it can be corrected? When I reached the station, the train had left. Why? If there are two actions in a sentence, the first action must be in the past perfect and the second action in the simple past. Past perfect means subject plus had plus V3. That means third form of the verb. The past tense means subject plus V2 plus object. When we mention to ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ രണ്ട് സംഭവങ്ങൾ സൂചിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നടന്ന സംഭവം പാസ്റ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റിലും രണ്ടാമത് നടന്ന സംഭവം സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റിലും എഴുതണം. Normally asked for the examination at every time for PSC and also for SSC and other examinations too. The pickpocket. What do you mean by pickpocket? Pocket അടിക്കാരൻ. The pickpocket hid the purse before the police arrived. Incorrect. How it can be corrected? I already mentioned one. So you can very well say the pickpocket had hidden the purse before the police arrived. Next one. When I entered the house, he has been listening to the radio. When I entered his house, he had been listening to the radio. Incorrect. One action already happened while another was progressing. One action had already happened while another was progressing. For that, he had to do. When I entered his house, he was listening to the radio. When I entered his house, one action already happened. Another was progressing. What is he doing? he was listening to the radio. So, in that sentence, one must be in the first action must be in the past tense, and progressive action must be in the past continuous. Next one, you had better to consult a doctor. That is an incorrect sentence. You had better to consult a doctor. Commonly used by all. The answer is, you had better consult a doctor. After had better, we have to use the base verb. That is consult. You had better consult a doctor. One more example I shall give if you want. You had better to see a film. That is also wrong. You had better see a film. That means base verb. That after had verb, first form of the verb is necessary. Had better. After had better, first form of the verb is necessary. That means done. Base verb എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? First form of the verb. Then the next one, it is being committed blunders even by chemistry teachers. How chlorine is prepared? ? What is the defect in that sentence? If there is an interrogation mark, that sentence must be interrogative. ചോദ്യരൂപത്തിലുള്ള സെന്റൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രോഗേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻട്രോഗേറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസിൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റിന് മുമ്പ് വെർബ് വരും. How is chlorine prepared? ? That is common error used by many. Another one, where you are going? ? Where are you going? But in an interrogative sentence, the verb is before the subject. Next one, there are only few seats left. That is wrong. There are only a few seats left. Only and just is always followed by a few or a little. Only and just is always followed by a few or a little. There is just little water in the bucket. Incorrect. There is just a little water in the bucket. Next one, I shall come and meet you on next Friday. Incorrect. The correct answer is, I shall come and meet you next Friday. He went to Madras on last Monday. Incorrect. He went to Madras last Monday. If there is next, last, every in a sentence, there is no need of preposition. There is no need of honor in. Many a passenger were hurt. In the accident. It is an incorrect sentence. How it can be corrected? Many a passenger was hurt in the accident. Next, one more example. Many a man have been working under me. Many a man have been working under me. That's also wrong. It is an incorrect sentence. Many a man has been working under me. Many a man has been working under me. Many a is singular. Many a is singular. Therefore, a singular verb is necessary. Many a is always followed by a singular noun, and a singular verb is necessary. Many is always plural. For example, many a mickle makes a muckle. You have heard it, I think so. You have heard it. Many is singular, many is plural. Okay, next one. Sita and Geeta are my sister-in-laws. Sita and Geeta are my sister-in-laws. Incorrect. The plural of sister-in-law is sisters-in-law. Father-in-law is fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law is mothers-in-law. Brother-in-law is brothers-in-law. So, Sita and Geeta are my sisters-in-law. Rama and Krishna are my brother-in-laws. That is also wrong. Rama and Krishna are my brothers-in-law. Brothers-in-law. The plural of father-in-law is fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law is mothers-in-law. Brother-in-law is brothers-in-law. Sister-in-law is sisters-in-law. I am asking a question to you. As I am going to end the class, you must answer it in the next class itself. Okay? I shall provide the question. The opposite of, the antonium or opposite of wise, VICE, wise. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തുക. വിഷ് യു ഗുഡ് ലക്ക്. God bless you. Okay, thank you.